guys, this is Lulu Bella coming to you with another spicy noodle video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button and all that good stuff, and comment please if you like the video. I don't know if I'm gonna hiccup, but we'll see, because I know you people like that stuff, you know. So yeah, got this one. This one. Put this one in first. Wait, I never put on plate. Anyways, I just poured this. The corn powder. But I didn't drain the water, so I'll be right back. So yeah. Now we're gonna put this one in. Okay.
Is that big enough? What? I always have bad luck with this. Okay, no. Oh, that's spicy.
Okay. That's done. I don't know if you guys saw it, y'all. That's the spicy stuff. Oh yeah, I'm just finishing mixing this and then I'll try it. We will see what happens. That's spicy. Tastes really good though. My eyes are starting to water already. It's been a while. There it is. Yep. I need a tissue. Oh god. Might have to leave my glasses off because, you know. And look in the lens, not the viewfinder. I've been looking in the viewfinder this whole time. Who cares? Oh yeah, it's hot. My lips are burning. Eyes are burning. The hiccups went away temporarily. Like my fro hawk. Oh shit. My lips are on fire. I don't think you're getting any more hiccups. Those are running now. He's hoping I don't look crazy yet. Oh, almost done. See? Oh shit. I'll just start pouring. I don't know if you saw that. Okay, that's good enough for me. I'm done. I am leaking from my nose, from my eyes. Yeah. So that was it. It looked like I have lipstick on. Like my lips are all pouty now. Can't see because I chose to keep my glasses off. I mean, new tissue. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, that was my crazy another hiccup video from Lulubella. That one tastes pretty good, but it is really spicy. I've had worse, as you've seen, but my lips are very red from what I can see, and my tongue is on fire. I wonder if my tongue is red. Oh. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Can you see it? It's red. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link at the end if you want to watch another video. Or I have a whole playlist of them if you want to see my past ones. Okay, bye bye.
You know you've got me hypnotized. I knew you had me when I looked into your eyes.